So this is our architect who is helping us to uh, shifting the stones from yesterday. He is a good man, so he will be putting the wall. Thanks to God for this privilege that he thanks to God for the privilege that he came to us to help us to build this further construction and the putting walls and uh, doing the partition of the hall. And this will be he made this table to climb up so he can build up here, so he can build a wall here through by the help of this table. And he shifted all these stones here, and he will putting all the stones up there with um, cement and bricks, sand. So we have some stones lying here. We'll be using all these stones. So these all will be covered by bricks. And thank you once again for watching us and for praying us. And may God bless each one of you. And I'm looking forward for all your help and for all your support. May God bless each one of you for your generosity, for your prayer, and for your love and concern. Thank you so much. Praise the Lord, and may God bless you all.